Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All together. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. First of all, I pay my humble obeisances and the lotus feet of my Paramaradha Guru Pad Padma, Om Vishnu Pad, Paramahansa Swami, Ashtotara Sata, Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Om Vishnu Pad, Paramahansa Swami, Ashtotara Sata, Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. I pay my humble obeisances on the lotus feet of my spiritual grandsire, Sri Srila Bhakti Pradhan, Keshav Goswami Maharaj, and Sri Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all Guru Parampara. I convey my Dandavat Pranam, all Vaishnavas and Vaishnavi assembled here, to encourage me to speak some Hari Katha. Yesterday, just we started of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, first sloka of Upadesamritam. So, how to achieve goal? For the achieving goal, Rupa Goswami giving the process step by step have to go forward. First is told Vacha Vegam, have to control the urges of speech. Anything you want to speak, speak that is not good. First have to think, if I telling something harsh word, and if same word somebody use for me, if it penetrate my heart, it must be penetrate others' heart also. Maybe somebody heart much more softer than me, then it will more difficult for him. So first have to remember this, what I am going to speak. Now I am coming, Vacha Vegam, Manasa Krodha Vegam, Manoveg, urges of mind. There are 6 urges, 6 pushings. Who can control? He can make disciple all over the world, and he is Jagat Guru. So Manoveg. Manoveg means what come in mind, immediate to take it action is very, very bad. So anything first come in mind, then come in action. So mind, the Manoveg, not visible so easily. When we do some job, action we can see. But what somebody is in mind, we cannot see. So mind is the root of all evils. It mentioned in the scripture, Mano eva manusyanam karanabandha mokshaye. Mind is the root cause of bondage and liberation. So how our mind will react depend on that. So what is Manoveg? I am giving some examples to clear this point. So what Manoveg? I am giving one example from Satyajug, Tretajug, Dwapar and Kali Yug. To give some example, maybe I have to take some side for my mother's side. So with male devotee, they will not think I am taking their side, and they should not be offended. But what is true, I have to speak. Even in our Guru Parampara, one prominent Acharya name is Narad Rishi. What is his philosophy? Narad Rishi's philosophy, Rajiv ji? Narad Rishi का philosophy क्या है? नारद ऋषि का एक सेंटेंस में
वो इधर की बात उधर करते हैं, एक वर्ड में इधर की बात उधर करने वाले झगड़ा लगाते हैं।
आपका विचार क्या है नारद ऋषि का फिलॉसफी?
always be chanting the name of Narayan.
Okay. What is the philosophy of Narad Rishi? Daruk Prabhu, can you speak? Any comment from female side? Narad Rishi is telling, Namti amar Narad Rishi badhai sudhu jhagda tate amar ananda je maja dekho tumra. Narad telling, somebody asking, what is what is your name? Narad told, my name is Narad Rishi. Oh, you are Narad Rishi? Yes. What is your activity? Badhai sudhu jhagda, I arrange quarrel between father and son, father and daughter, mother and son, mother and daughter, especially husband and wife, and friend between friend. This is my profession. Oh. Somebody asking, why doing so? Tate amar anandaji. I get pleasure about that. Then devotee asking, what shall we do? I am here in Guru Parampara, so join in my team and you have see some fun. Okay, what Narad Rishi did, I am telling now. One day in Satyajug, Narad Rishi, what Raji told, that Narad Rishi bajai bina radhika ramana name. When you go to Braj, then going there also make some chaos, make quarrel between Radha and Krishna. I am not going there now, will come other day. So you went to Vaikuntha planet. Where you go Vaikuntha? Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. जब अयोध्या में राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, कभी जय राम जय जय राम, जय राम जय सिया राम. और कलियुग में बाद में बताऊंगा. So what happened? He went to Vaikuntha planet. Knowingly choose the time. At that time, Narayana was not there. Only Lakshmi Devi. Lakshmi Devi giving seat. Narji told, oh Lakshmi Devi, you claim that you are crown just the whole world. Forget it. Lakshmi Devi became sudden surprise. What Narad happened today? Why telling this? Lakshmi Devi told, okay, who is the crown chest in the world? If you want to see the crown chest lady, go to mundane world. What? Mundane world? Yes. Who? The wife of Atri Rishi named Anusuya. Really? Yes. Telling this, washing her brain. Sriman Narayana 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 went to Kailas. Knowingly choose time, Sivji was not there. Going there, Parvati, Sati Devi gave a seat to him. Hey Devi, you are thinking that you are the crown chest of the whole universe. She humbly told, no, I never claimed this title. Then to whom you think? Crown chest in the whole universe? And Sati replied, everybody knew this. Oh, the eternal consort of Narayana, Lakshmi. What? Lakshmi? From when she became chest lady? She is the topmost unchest in the world. So their head is spinning. Narad Rishi, are you became crazy today? Narad, why you are telling this? Well, how you can tell the most unchest lady is Lakshmi Devi? Then Narad, I can prove you. I have evidence with me. You have evidence? Well, because I am traveling all over universe area. You are sitting only here. Sometimes going little bit. But I am always non-stop traveling. So, what is the evidence? And Narad asks, what is the definition of chest? Chest lady. Who will tell? Who has one pointed with her husband, not any other, same behavior with other male. This is the definition of chest? Okay, then I am agree with you all. So Narad told, okay, listen. Everywhere Lakshmi Devi like this, giving blessing to everyone. And and somehow Lakshmi Devi holding palms, praying something. Then Sati told, how is possible? Lakshmi giving always blessing to everyone. Narada told, listen me carefully, give attention. What happened Narada said today? Became very grey, little like chaotic minded. What happened? Narada told, listen, in Braj there is 12 forest. Madhuban, Talban, Kumudban, Bahulaban, Kammaban, Khadirban, Vrindaban. और 5 फर्स्ट का नाम डॉक्टर साहब क्या है? आप सबसे पहले आए, रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया है। और 5 वन का नाम कौन बोलेगा?
कोकिलावन,
भांडीरबन,
गुरुबन,
तालबन आप बताएं।
12 बम्स आते हैं।
और 5 फॉरेस्ट है, मोर 5, भद्रवन, भांडीरवन, बेलवन, महावन, लोहवन. Narada, do you know this? Sati, yes, I know. Well, what happened in the Belvan? Lakshmi going there, giving up her very full youth husband, extremely qualified Narayan, husband of Lakshmi Devi, giving him up, went to where? Belvan, and doing austerity, holding palms. Why? Oh Krishna, I want to make dance. Hey. What is this? It's so much wealth and full youth, so beautiful, so handsome, so attractive. Giving her her own husband and want to make dance with a cowherd boy. What kind of symptom of chastity is this? Yes, it's speaking true. Lakshmi is being austerity there. Now, do you happen what that? So they said, no, I don't know what happened. I have heard that she went there. But still she want to enter in Ras dance and taking Krishna's hand, want to dance. Krishna will kiss her, she will kiss Krishna. This is the symptom of chastity. So she could not speak, became speechless. Now to listen what happened there. She is doing austerity, deep meditation. Krishna appeared. He said, hey Devi, why meditating upon me? What is Siddhanta here? Because Atta Sri Krishna Namadi Nabhaved Grajham Indriyai Sevan Mukhai Jivado Swayameva Spurattada. Krishna name, when Sevan Mukhi Jiva propensity to serve Krishna and his associate, then Krishna name will dance on our tongue. Or moreover, Abhinnatvat Nama Namino Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Suddha Nitya Mukto Abhinnatvat Nama Namino. Krishna and Krishna's name has no difference. So she is meditating about Krishna, Krishna appeared there. Because Krishna's name and Krishna's same, to show this appeared there. This is Siddhanta here. Hey Devi, how I can help you? Why meditating? And Lakshmi told, oh, I want to enter in Ras dance, want to make dance with you. He said, really? Yes. Then Krishna told, I have some condition. Lakshmi told, what condition? He said, no, very minute. There is a small details, very minute. What? You have to be in Braj. He said, oh, yes, I am in Braj already. Listen carefully. You have to make cow dung patty. He said, what? I have to make cow dung patty? I never did so. So how smell will come? For my body, lotus petal coming every time. I have to work with cow dung. Oh my goodness. I cannot do that. Krishna disappeared. Lakshmi thinking, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. If you have to gain, you have to give up something. Again, Lakshmi start austerity. Again, Krishna appeared. Krishna told, do you remember my condition? Yes, I can do that. I'll make cow dung patty. Raji Garraji, not spontaneously. Because she has cherished desire to make dance with Krishna. Okay. Krishna told more conditions are there. What condition? You have to milk cows and have to make yogurt, and every single day have to chant yogurt. This is a very good job. That I can do easily. Yes, that I can do. Krishna told other condition also there. What? You have to adopt the broad philosophy. What is that? Then Krishna telling, Utthaya goppo pararatra bhage smritva yasoda sutabalakeli gayanti uchchai janitanuraga govinda damodara madhaveti. Krishna telling, Utthaya goppo pararatra bhage, have to wake up early morning, not late. Early morning like Braj Gopis are doing Brajvasis. What they are doing? Smritva Jasoda Sutobala Keli. As soon as wake up, the naughty Lala of Nanda, naughty Lala of Jasoda, did this yesterday, she broke my vessel, he did this, he did that, only. Only when the eyes open, only about Krishna's notorious activity. You have to remember that. And what they are doing? Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Someone rolling chapati. Chapati. Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Baby wake up weeping, not singing lullaby. They are patting on baby's back. Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Some has the pet parrot. They are giving pomegranate seed. Oh parrot, repeat after me. Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Lakshmi, yes, sound good. That I can do easily. Now telling to our Sati Devi, and Gurudev told us, I am repeating like a parrot in front of you. You see, yes, sound good, that I can do, no matter. Then telling more condition, what? You have to adopt Braj philosophy. Anything more? Yes. What? We have to be always under guidance of gopis. Oh my goodness! I have 1,000 millions servants. I have to be under guidance someone. Even this village girl. No, that I cannot do that. It will disappear. Again, Narada telling Lakshmi, Sati, look. Krishna disappeared, but Lakshmi has desire, I will make dance, with hand holding Krishna's hand. Krishna will kiss me, I will kiss Krishna. Look, disappear. See, yes, that is desire, do or die. What Siddhanta here? Yet I do darshan of Krishna and I fulfill my desire or I will die. Again, start austerity, giving her husband for a long time. Want to dance with a cowherd boy. What symptom of chastity is this? Again she start austerity. Again Krishna appeared. Are you agree? Okay, I can do that. But not only that, not only under guidance of gopis, you have to give up your abhiman, your ego. I have no false ego. You have not false ego. No, forget it. That is very good. You have to forget you are Brahmani. You have to think I am a gopi. What? You forget I am Brahmani. Yes, this is your false ego. That I cannot do. Again this one disappeared. Oh my goodness. Again he gone. Again start austerity. Narad telling to Sati Devi. Again Krishna appeared. Are you agree? that you have to make cow dung patty, you have to milk cows, you have to make yogurt, every single day have to chant yogurt, have to adopt Braj philosophy, any activity have to chant only Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, you have to be under guidance of gopis, you have to forget your Brahmani. Okay, I can do that. Because कुछ खोने पाने के लिए खोना पड़ता है. I want to gain, I have to give up something. It's only little more. You have passed all tests. A small details. What is that? You have to marry with other go and highway. You have to meet with me. No. I cannot do that. I can marry you. I cannot marry any other go. Why Lakshmi can marry? Because Krishna and Narayan both are Vishnu Tattva. Siddhantastha abhedayopi Sri Krishna Sarupayo. Both are, Sis means the master soulmate of Radhika and soulmate of Narayan, both are same. But that I can do, marry with you, but not any other go. It is not only if you could not, then you are unqualified to enter into Ras dance and make dance with me. So Krishna disappeared. Then Krishna told, if you only want to make Ras dance with me, then you have to be married with other gop. And hiding way, cheating your husband, cheating your mother-in-law, sister-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, have to meet with me. Then you are qualified to enter in Ras dance. Lakshmi still in decision. What in Vaishnava language called Buddha Vikalpa. It's still in decision. So Lakshmi is still nowadays, up to now, today's date, in 5th July 2015, Lakshmi is doing austerity. Then Narad told, this is the symptom of chastity. So this head spinning, taking Bina, went out. Then went to Brahmalok, Satyalokar Brahmaji, the creator of this universe, the father of Chatussan, four-headed Brahmaji living there. Knowingly choose, only Brahmani there, no Brahmaji. Then Narada, hey Devi, you are claiming that you are the crown chest of the whole universe. She fold palms, Narada, see, don't make me offender like this. I never claimed this title. So who you think most crown chest? More chest than you? She told, why? Everybody knew this. The Sati more chest than me, and moreover Lakshmi Devi. What? Lakshmi is a chest lady? Then Brahma told, not chest lady, she is a crown chest of the whole universe. Narada, forget it. She became surprised, why not? Then Narada told same story what she told to Sati Devi. And so Sati also not chest at all. Why not? Then Narada told, listen. In Treta Yuga, previous Kalpa and Brahmas, Lord Ram went exile to fulfill his father's desire, and 13 years have been passed. Only few months were remaining. What happened? Ravan came and kidnapped Sita Devi. Shiv and Sati both came, and Shivji doing parikrama from a long distance. You don't want to make any disturbance in Ram Leela. Lord Ram holding his deers, have you seen my Sita? Grabbing tree, have you seen my Sita? Telling river, have you seen my Sita? Each and every tree and creeper. And Shivji doing parikrama from long distance, doing pranam, full prostration. Sukdev asking, my dear husband, to whom you doing pranam? Then Shivji told him, my Aradha Dev, my worshipful deity Lord Ram. Lord Ram? How come he became Lord Ram? He merely son of Dasarath, King Dasarath. I knew that Ravan has kidnapped her and keeping in Asur Vatika. What kind of Bhagavan is he? He does not know at all. Bhagavan is omniscient. I know that, but he does not know. Shinji told, if you have any doubt, you can have a test, no problem. So they told, okay, I have to take a test. What did Shinji sitting there? And Shinji not only husband of Sati Devi, Guru also. So if you have doubt in Guru, Samsayatma Pranasati, then he bound to derail from your line. Because husband and wife, they are always quarrel, this is nature, no problem. But if doubt in Guru, big danger. So what happened? Sati Devi dressed herself as like Sita Devi. Which clothes she was using, at least his face, everything, just none can recognize she is Sita or Sati. And now she came, and where Ram is moving around, going behind a bush, looking towards Ram, again hiding like. She thought Ram will come and embrace me. Oh Sita, you are here, you are here. Going here, there, then Lord Ram became merciful. Told, Mother, you are alone here. Where is Bholenath? Then she is telling me, oh my goodness. Narad telling to Brahmani, what kind of chaste lady is she? She want to embrace by other male, by Ram. This is the symptom of chastity. You are telling Sati is a chaste. What kind of chaste is this? Her guru, her husband telling he has no faith and want Ram embrace me. This is a symptom of chastity. Her head is spinning. Narad Rishi taking Bina went out. Now she was brain of Lakshmi Devi. She was brain of Shivani. Was brain of Brahmani. Then Lakshmi Devi held the emergency meeting. To whom is she invited? Brahmani and Shivani. They came. Lakshmi Devi told that today Narad Rishi came to me and told that if you want to see any crown chest, have to go mundane world. And who is she? The wife of Patri Rishi named Manusya Devi. Shivani told, yes, he told same thing to me. Brahmani told, yes, he told same thing to me. Even then Sati Devi told, and Brahmani, and told Lakshmi not chaste at all. See the unchaste in the whole universe is. Really? Now told like this, yes. What he told? Then they narrate the whole story that we must study this and that. Lakshmi became very angry. She became so angry. She not sitting on a chair, moving like marching left, right. If you take very strong chili, you can recognize that your body became hot. Hot coming through your ear and nose. Lakshmi became so angry. Hot coming through her ear and nose. And face became completely reddish. They can sit there. Then Brahma told not only that, he told another thing. What? Sati is not chaste at all. Sati told, why? What? What he told? Then he told the whole story that he want to get embraced by Ram. He told, yes, I did that. Okay. What to do? Then Lakshmi told, we have to do something somehow or other. We have to crush the chastity of Manusya Devi. So how to do that? Lakshmi told, when our husband will come, we have to request them to crush her chastity, to break her chastity. If our husband will not be agree, Lakshmi telling to Shivani and Brahmani what to do. Lakshmi, first we have to request them. If they are not ready, then we have to weep. Still not sing our tears, then it all would be hunger strike. If not, then we'll go to our mother. If not, then I told you will take poison. Although we will not take, but have to tell them. And if nowadays, then why divorce you? So, Lakshmi train to Shivani and Brahmani. We have to do this. This is the policy, philosophy of how to control husband. So if you not control husband, first have to eat. Or if you not, then I will do hunger strike. Other than going to my mother. Kamini, Krishna Kamini, sometime you told this?
Krishna Kamini,
She's not here.
So,
Upstairs.
So, Chachi, sometime you told doctor? Never. Always chastising him.
it's other way. Just the reverse. I stopped eating.
So, this is not their fault. Lakshmi Devi taught this. Okay. Now Narayan came. Lakshmi weeping. Now they told Devi, what happened? Why weeping? Narayan want to console. Lakshmi taking his hand, throwing. Narayan surprised. What happened today? Why weeping so much? I became little delayed, so. No, not for that. What? Someone more chaste than me, even in mundane world, if spiritual sky, I have no problem. Narayan told, who is that? Then Lakshmi told, the wife of Patri named Manusya. So we have to go and break her chastity. Narayan told, no, she is very great devotee, very chaste. I cannot do that. Lakshmi told that I will not cook anything, I do hunger strike and kitchen strike. Narayan is a big danger. What to do that? Gurudev used to tell, big administrator, they can administer the whole world, but cannot administer their own wife. It is true? Yes, Dada, yes. So what to do? And Sati told to Shivji and Brahmani told to Brahmaji, same thing. What to do now? If you not do, I will commit suicide taking poison. Narayan told, don't take poison. And what now? Narayan head is spinning, Shivji's head spinning, Brahma's head spinning. Now Narayan held the emergency meeting. Invite Shivji and Brahmani. Brahmaji. Narayan told, oh Shivji, oh Brahmaji, I am in big danger. What happened? You have danger? Narayan told, yes. Then Shivji and Brahmaji told, if there is a biggest danger, even somebody recite your name, the danger will go away, like Ajamil, you know that. Only reciting Narayan's name, even for his son, big danger go away. Not that I know very well. Not that type of danger. What danger? What problem? Domestic problem. What domestic problem? Then Narayan told, my wife told I have to press the chastity of Manusya, otherwise she will not cook for me, hunger strike and kitchen strike, if not then want to commit suicide taking poison. She told Narayan, don't tell me anything anymore. If somebody has wound, if you put some chili powder and salt, how pleasant it will be. Brahma will hit it. Then Shivji told it happened for me also. Sati also in sulky mood, she tells same thing. Brahma told, my wife told same thing. What to do now? Narayan to listen. So we have to go there to break her chastity. Otherwise, we will be without our wife. They will go to their mother. Okay, what to do? Then Narayan told, we have to be in disguise of Brahmin and go there. Okay, the rest thing I will tell you there. So both Narayan and Brahmaji and Shivji, they came in disguise of Brahmin. Coming and Manusya and Atri, they are doing austerity bhajan, side by side next to each other, they have separate bhajan kuti. Three of them came, Bhikshang Dehi, give some alms, give some alms. So Anusya Devi, what she had, some fruit, some root, she brought, because so many Brahmins coming, passing through, their householder duty is to serve Vaishnavas, Brahmanas. So this is the Siddhanta here. So Anusya Devi, what she had, she brought. Narayan, Shiv and Brahmaji, when she came, both of them looked towards Narayan. Narayan told, don't like this type of alms. What you like? Narayan told, three of them, you have to be completely disrobed. Being disrobed, you have to give alms, then we will take. So they think, Anusya, what kind of Brahmin are they? They want I will complete this robe in front of them? How it is possible? And Narayan told, listen, we are very highly qualified Brahmin. We have not so much time. Only we can stay here as time it takes to milk of a cow, not more than that. If you not satisfy us, not give alms, we are going, your all auspiciousness follow with us. This Brahman looks like very angry. It is true. If any guest come, service of guest is best either east or west. So if you are not, then you go. Anusya Devi told, oh, this is Brahman Devta, don't be so angry. I have to go to take permission from my husband. Go, don't delay. In this context, I am telling something about one story of Gurudev came in my mind. In 1990, most of 1998, we are in London. After Gaur Purnima, Gurudev take bath in Ganges, water gone in his both ears. And when he came in London from other country, Gurudev could not hear at all, completely deaf. Then he went to one ear specialist. He told they have to do some operation called grooming or something, like small children that swimming, water going, they put some small two tubes, called grooming or something in ear specialist told. 1700 pounds needed for that. So, okay, so you went, Gurudev, myself, Brajanath Prabhu. In a very long building, only doctor and doctor. Maybe over 50 doctors in a row, in one building. Only one lady is there to open the door. Anywhere, then she has screen, she will see and press the button, will open. That lady was old. So after going there, we paid some, and he told rest we will pay, maybe 400 pounds you have to pay, as soon as you go to 40 next day. Before entering 40, I have to pay there. Okay. Then I asked the lady, do they want to go for passing water? I told lady, at the toilet, he said, oh, go that way. The lady asking, who are you, from where you are coming? I told Bajanath, you can take Gurudev Batu, I am talking with us, he is asking. I told, from India, what I am telling. Then I told that we are your guest. First I asked him, you are an old lady. Hey, Gravy, why you are working still nowadays in old age? She told, I prefer to work more than quiz apple sitting in my room. So I am working. And she is so many years working there, all doctors respect like their mother. Old, and because so many years she is working there. So, okay. Then I told, listen, we are your guest. Service of guest is best in that history. What you tell? I told, we are your guest. Service of guest is best. She became so amazed. What you tell? I told again. Then told, what you said, what then we told everything, we came in this and that. How much charge? 1700. What? Was 70%, 1700 pounds. Quite a little. I will take a gun, first I shoot the secretary of doctor, then I shoot the doctor. Quite a little here. She went, and our appointment was last appointment. Going there, she chastised the lady secretary. You have no common sense? For sending for the simple person, charging 17,100 pounds. I'll kill you. And chastised so badly the secretary. The lady shaking. And told, how much refund immediate? So I have no money, doctor has gone. Doctor gone, so could not tell, she came back. Right here in front of me, what the rest, 400 pounds, no more have to pay. She forced her to do that because everybody loved and respected her so much. Came back and told, oh, your 400 pounds I can make concession because other have been paid already, that I cannot take back. If doctor is supposed to be here, how much you paid I can take back from doctor. So this thing, we are your guest, service of guest is best, the east or west, by that 400 pounds deal. Same way, the Vishnu, Narayan, Shivji and Brahma telling, we are your guest, service of guest is best. It may delay with going. And she went to her husband, Atri Rishi. Atri is closing eyes. Oh. Yes, yes, you can go. I am with you. If being disturbed, give alms, no problem. And Atri told, do you know who are they? Manisha told, no. That they are Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. They came in disguise of Brahmin. Oh, really? Yes. Then Anusya Devi told, my respected Brahmanas, I am going to take off my cloth. Don't worry. She went inside and told, Prakit Sisu Babhuva, be like newborn baby. Then as soon as she told, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, disguise of Brahmin, they became newborn baby. And when she came, being completely disturbed, that they are playing, she took them, Vatsalya came, breast milk coming, she feeding breast milk to 3 boys.
Wow.
If small baby there, no one there, if mother being completely disturbed, give her breast milk, there is no matter of shyness. If other look towards her, that matter of shame. No one is there, they are full stomach, then she came inside again dressed, called her husband. Look, we have 3 babies now, 3 babies. We have no children, now 3 babies at a time. Now both they are very happy. Now they are arranging toys, this, that, you know, your householder, how you did for your children. So this came from idea of Atri Rishi. They did cuddle, this, that, everything. Now they are very happy. We have no children, now 3 boys, 3 sons. Very happy. Now about 1 year going to be passed, only few days remaining. Narad is going to Vaikuntha planet. There are no Narayan because from Narayan became Dattatreya.
Yeah.
Shivji became Durvasa. Brahma became Chandrama. Yes. Narad Rishi went to Vaikuntha planet. Lakshmi calling, oh Narad Thakur, oh Narad Thakur, oh Narad Thakur. Listening, not listening, bypassing. Then Narad told, hey Devi, it seems that you are calling my name. Lakshmi, not calling your name, I am shouting so much for you. What happened, Devi? Then Lakshmi told, your Prabhu has gone 1 year, going to be past, has not returned yet. Narad told, I told you that who is most chaste, by her chastity, she make her own son. What? Narad told the whole story. Went to Singlo. Again, Soti calling, oh Narad Thakur, Narad Thakur, Narad Thakur. Now listening, not listening. After few minutes, Devi, it seems, it came in eardrum that your sound came calling my name. Am I right? It is true? No, I am shouting for you for a few minutes. Why, Devi? What offense done by me? You are shouting on me? No, you have no offense. But this is the fact. Oh, your Prabhu has gone 1 year, have to be passed, no return yet. Then he told, now he became son of Anusya Devi, due to her chastity. Then Narad went to Satyalok. Brahmani calling, oh Narad Muni, Narad Muni, Narad Muni. Listening, not listening. Oh Devi, if you are calling my name, yes, I am shouting so much. What happened, Devi? Your Prabhu gone about 1 year, has not come yet. So I told you as before, I am not listening. What can I do? Oh, so what happened? Then Lakshmi again held an emergency meeting. Invite to whom? Shivani and Brahmani. Now they are very morose. What to do now? Lakshmi told, one thing we can do. We have to do another meeting. Have to call Narad Rishi. What suggestion he will give, have to follow. Okay. Next day, held another emergency meeting. Called Narad Rishi. We told you already what to do now. Oh, now you can give some suggestion. Not I can give some suggestion, but we have to follow completely. What? You have to go in disguise of Brahmani. Going there, have to go Bhajan Kuti of Anusuya Devi and have to tell Bhikshang Dehi, Bhikshang Dehi. When she will come to give some alms, like fruit, like she brought for your husband, we will not take this type of alms. What alms? Then you show your husband's, the small baby there. Okay. 3 of them, disguise of Brahmani, they came. Although they are in disguise of Brahmani, if there is a big fire, if you little distance, you get already hit. You could not, even big fire, you put some sand, go close, it will come. Same way, although they are disguised of Brahmani, but their beauty, so much aura, anyone can understand they are not ordinary God, ordinary lady. They came to Anusuya, Bhikshang Dehi, very soft voice. And Brahman gave very great voice. And now they are very soft voice. Anusuya Devi, so Brahmani, I never seen my life. Thousands years we are here. What happened? If there is any drought, any big chaos, Brahmani came for alms. No matter, we will give. So she brought some fruit what she had. And they told, no, we will not take this type of alms. Struck her brain. As before Brahmins came, we want this type of alms. They are telling, what do you want? Who are you? Then they start weeping. Why weeping? Who are you? Then told, we are your daughter-in-law. When daughter-in-law, then she understood. Daughter-in-law means my wife or my sons. And then how became daughter-in-law? Understand, daughter-in-law means wife of son. Don't enter in trance. We are in New Jersey, not in France. When you travel to France, enter in trance. Don't enter in trance. Being in New Jersey, not in France. So what happened? Well, we are your daughter-in-law? Yes, your daughter-in-law. She understood that disguise of Lakshmi, Brahmani and Shivani. She said, no. I cannot make you my daughter-in-law. My son, nearly only 1 year. They know how to walk, running, throwing, breaking here and there, fighting each other. No. You are so aged. My son only 1 year. Nearly 1 year. No. When my son grow enough, myself, my husband travel all over the world, we will choose our own daughter-in-law. I don't accept you, my daughter-in-law. Then they will think, Devi, please excuse us. They depend our stubbornness, it happened, please excuse. Accept your daughter-in-law, your mother-in-law. Mother's heart much more softer than butter. Don't be so hard-hearted. Please excuse us. Mother's heart really soft and told okay. And told their mother and mother-in-law no difference. Okay. Then she told by one form, they will be here always my son, eternally son. Other form they can go back to Vaikuntha, Kailas and Satyalok. Okay. So this is the monoveg of Satyajug. What come in mind and tell their husband. Lakshmi told how to control husband. Krishna कहानी सुनाई नहीं कैसे husband control किया जाता है जानती है पहले रोना पड़ेगा
आता नहीं महाराज
वो सब गुण संपन्न है
ये दो सुन का लक्ष्मी ने सिखाया है दो सुन का नहीं है
वो महाराज सभी के पास है
हाँ लक्ष्मी ने सिखा दिया ना सबको
मैं कब रोती हूँ बताना जरा
फिर त्रेता युग और द्वापर युग कली युग
चलिए टाइम है आप घड़ी मत देखिए
सुनाइए महाराज।
Time and tide wait for none. But how I can wait for you? I tell again next day. Hare Krishna.
No.
नहीं नहीं महाराज पूरी तो कीजिए।
Time longer or shorter?
बोलिए हमारा शॉर्ट में बोल दीजिए।
He said Lord Shiva became Durvasa.
Vishnu became Dattatreya, Shivji became Durvasa, Brahma became Chandrama, moon.
Oh, Chandra. Okay.
महाराज त्रेता युग में तो बता दिए।
बस थोड़े में
थोड़ा तो सुना दीजिए महाराज।
हम लोग
नहीं आएगा नहीं तो
बताना
बताइए
पड़ेगा।
प्लीज।
एक एक में एक समय में मैं क्या
कोई
करूं?
बात नहीं, आप कह देना।
महाराज ये शिव पुराण में कुछ और स्टोरी है।
हाँ?
शिव पुराण में कुछ और स्टोरी है। वो बोलते कि नहीं तीनों को किसी राक्षस को मारना था तो तीनों को कंबाइन करके शिव जी भी आगे एक देवता बने। उनका क्या नाम था? बनी दत्रेय थे कि क्या थे? वही किसी राक्षस को मारना था।
इसे एक सभी दो स्टोरी।
छोटा सुन।
हाँ महाराज त्रेता में क्या हुआ महाराज?
त्रेता बताइए।
त्रेता में उसी के अंदर आया सती का राम रूप सीता वेश में राम का परीक्षा मन में आया तो ये किया। द्वापर में बता रहा हूँ।
बहुत क्वेश्चन करता है।
Dapur में क्या? What is the Dapur? In Dwapar Yug, because our ultimate goal to achieve Krishna Prem. So I am giving example from Krishna Leela. In Satya Yug, there is two type of mentality people always. Dau bhute sarge loke asmin daiva asura eva cha Vishnu bhakta bhave daiva asura astad viparjaya. One is demigod's mentality, they are devotee. Another demonic mentality. Always there, they are always fighting. So in Satyajug, once introduction देना पड़ेगा ना?
बहुत भूख लग गया है।
नहीं भूख आपको नहीं, उनको भूख लगी है पहले आया।
Thank you for
We may ask him, then I will give introduction. Then he is telling you are very hungry. I don't know because doctor hungry because the doctor first come today.
First time in
Record
First time name will go in World Guinness Book. So what happened? So demigods and demons they are fighting, and demons took over Sargalok, or they kicked them out. Why I am not going in details. There is big history. Why they kicked them out? Due to Guru Abhagga, I am not going there. So what happened? If son is unhappy, danger, then mother's heart more unhappy than father. So mother told Aditi Devi to her husband Kashyap, "Oh my dear husband, my sons are moving here and there. What shall I do?" And the demons also son of Kashyap. Then Aditi was telling, well, okay, you can do this austerity, then Bhagavan Vishnu will come as your son. After completing austerity, that brought Bhagavan Vishnu came in form of Vaman dwarf. Somebody gave him umbrella, some wooden sandal, some loin cloth, some this and that. And at that time, the demonic king name was Bali Maharaj. So he always giving charity. He going direct to the assembly of Bali Maharaj. It's so small and big umbrella. From distance, look, an umbrella is moving alone. Like in few years in America, automatic car will come, no driver needed. This automatic idea came from India that it seems automatic umbrella going on. So when it's going there, Bali Maharaj giving charity. Although dwarf, so much effulgence, Bali Maharaj came, "Oh Brahmin boy, what do you want?" And it's so nice, so beautiful, so attractive. Bali Maharaj had one daughter named Ratnamala. Oh, small girl, 3-4 years aged girl. Oh, he's so beautiful, so attractive, so handsome. Oh, he will be my son. I can give her breast milk. small baby, like small girl are playing with Barbie doll, this, that, same way. Bhagavan Vamandev, omniscient, so be it. Then Vamandev, oh, he told, oh king, I am Brahmin boy, I want to do some austerity. I have to make one hut, bhajan putti. I need 3 steps of land by my own step. Then king began to laugh. You are dwarf, even your intelligent more dwarfer than your size. You can ask me half of my kingdom, what you ask I'll give. Oh king, don't make me greedy. मैं संतोषी ब्राह्मण बालक, I am self-satisfied because Atmaram is speaking true. Don't give this offer. Then king told, okay. Then I am so tall figure, my steps so big. You can take on my step? No king, don't tell this. I am self-satisfied Atmaram. I am satisfied by my own step because I am not so high. I am not so tall. Then king told, oh, if you want, I can arrange your wedding ceremony, searching in my kingdom one Brahmani girl like you, and I expend all expenses. Oh king, don't give this offer. I am non-sticky Bal Brahmachari. I am Brahmachari from birth. Don't give this offer. It is not proper etiquette for you. Okay. Take sankalpa, take vow. I am not going details, making short. So, what happened? Now, by first he was in Vaikuntha Narayan, came in this world form of Brahman, now expand Trivikram form. By one step, took position, 7 planetary system, upper. What is the name of 7 planetary system, upper looks? We will tell. One can tell one each. Yes.
Upper planetary system. So, Satyug, Saket, Dwarika.
No.
Now,
Like
above planetary, in planetary system. Okay. Intel 1, then other. Okay, 2. Okay, 3.
ब्रह्मलोक महाराज ब्रह्मलोक
4. 3 more.
Is it a Satyalok or Satyalok?
No, Satlok.
Satra already done.
नहीं वो तो बहुत ऊपर है ये है
Bhulok.
Okay, Mahalok also. Bhulok, yes. One more.
Patal.
no नीचे हो गया
Down in the bottom. There he pushed him
No
down.
one telling Sardalok.
है
No one telling Sardalok.
सबको बोला मैंने
Bhulok, Bhubalok, Sardalok, Mahalok, Janalok, Tapalok, Satyalok. These 7. So by one step he took position all 7 locals. So when and Brahma see, oh my goodness, this is the lotus feet of my Prabhu. Immediate, big Jejan Krishna Bhaje Sevara Chatur, who is doing bhajan of Krishna or any incarnation of him. Very clever. Brahma immediate, became very fast. Taking his commander wash his feet, Vamandev put in his commander. This is Ganga. Another Rasi Ganga is Sokhi also, cursed by Radhika. So then by other feet, other step, took position of 7 lower planetary system.
बस पता
What is
पता
that?
महाराज
Atal, Bital, Sutal, Talatal, Mahatal, Rasatal, Patal. But one common thing, demigods living the 3rd floor, Sargalok, and demons living down 3rd floor, Sutalok. Both are 3rd floor. Then, when he did this and told king, you promise you give me the 3 steps of land. I put my 3rd step. Jejan Krishna Bhaje Sevara Chatur, doing bhajan, very clever. Oh, Prabhu, if I ask, will not bestow your mercy. Prabhu, my head is still there. Bhavan has no other choice, have to put his lotus feet on the top of head of Bali Maharaj. After that, he bind him snake rope. And Bali Maharaj weeping, Prahlad Maharaj came and made him free. Then Rakta Maharaj became very furious. What? You so naughty boy, if you leave my son, I will not give my breast milk. I'll give poison to you.
She became
Bhagavan told, so be it. She became Putana. So, what? She became Putana. And what happened? Due to this Manobeg came in mind, she became Putana in Dapar Yug. Being in Dapar Yug, Krishna want to take the burden away from the earth. First, he killed Putana. So I am not going in details. So mentioned in Bhagavatam, Putana balghatini rakshasi dudhirasana jighansa viharayespanam dattapa sadgatim. So when they took decision, within 10 days have to kill all babies. So when meeting was going on, Chanur, Mustik, Aghasur, Bakasur, throughout so many Asur, so many Sasur. Sasur means, you know? Sasur means a father-in-law, because so many demons, some are father-in-law, other demon. So Asur and Sasur. Putana I can do by a click. So when any company giving some advertise, I know some people, then first have to fill up your name, they need some biodata. So all are fill upping form. Putana fill upping. First point, like you are going India, have to fill up landing form. Going England, going Brazil, going America, have to fill up landing form. So they are all are fill upping form. Forms of taking interview. Putana writing. What's slok in Bhagavatam? Putana. Name in block letter. She writing Putana. Putana means, Put means purity. Na means no, I have no purity. Another meaning, Put means children. Na means I have no children. Unless until mother has no baby, breast milk will not come. Big scientist, big doctor, how much baby they be qualified? They are eating same food stuff. When mother your child, only breast milk come that time, not before that. When baby growing up, only dried up automatically. No need to take any medicine. So, Putana has no children, so how breast milk will come? So Putana means no purity, no children. This is the first point. Then what is your academic qualification? Putana writing Bal Ghatini. I can kill small baby very easily. This is not my interpretation, this is Bhagavad Slok. Then nationality. If you go India, then you can put US, you have nationality. Putana writing Rakshasi witch. I belong to which nationality? You have any other expertise? She writing yes. What? Rudhira Sana. I can drink fresh blood of small babies. This is her expertise. What you had a job in Kongsa's Royal Assembly? Jighan Sayapi, I want to kill. To whom I want to kill? Haraye, I want to kill Hari. What method will adopt? Stanam Dattapo, I will give my breast. And what salary expected? The love and affection of Maharaj Kongsa. So Putana Balghatini Rakshasi Rudhirasana, Jighan Sayapi Hare, Stanam Dattapo Sabdoti. What Bhagavan did? Give her motherlyhood position. This is Manobeg. It came in Ratnamala. What coming? Okay, I give you breast. Okay. No, I give you poison. So it happened. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalyo
महाराज कलयुग बचा
महाराज क्वेश्चन महाराज
My name is Madhav Maharaj, not question Maharaj.
महाराज का हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया हो जाएगा।
एक तो नारद मुनि को कलयुग को क्या करा है?
शुगर विड्रॉल।
कलयुग को क्या करेंगे?
नारद मुनि है वो?
आप बोले थे ना कुछ कि कलयुग में
बोलिए उदाहरण बताऊंगा मैं क्या करते हैं।
उदाहरण नहीं कुछ बोले ना कलयुग में कुछ बता रहे थे तो
हाँ।
करते हैं।
क्या मैं तो बताऊंगा तो समय आएगा। सब एक साथ कोई अच्छा चीज हो ना अधिक नहीं खाना चाहिए। कोई हाई डोज मेडिसिन हो ना, हाई एंटीबायोटिक, डोंट टेक हाई डोज, इट इज डेंजर, हैव टू बी अंडर गाइडेंस
महाराज
ऑफ
ये तो
डॉक्टर।
विटामिन है, एंटीबायोटिक नहीं है। ये तो विटामिन है, इसलिए चाहिए महाराज।
टू मच विटामिन नॉट टू गुड।
नहीं महाराज, अभी तक तो मील हुआ था, विटामिन चाहिए।
False guru, yes.
So, what have you remembered from Guru Dev mentioning about Putana and false gurus?
Because guru be always simple-hearted, not inside outside different. Like Tasmat Guru Prapadyeta Jigyasya Utsamam, Sabde Paraja Nishnatang Brahmanupa Samasam. Any this symptom not apply Putana. And he is coming, she is coming, like she is mother. Mother is first guru. It is not motherly position at all. Motherly mood, so is false guru. Because mother is first guru in the world. And she came in disguise of mother. But she had no motherlyhood mood, so she is false guru.
So in the same way, Guru who has no intention to help
Yeah.
the disciple to
Yeah.
advance is false guru.
मैं एक प्रश्न पूछूं? I am asking one question. When Lord Ram went exile, that brother means Maharaj Bharat went to bring him back in Chitrakoot. Still nowadays, where they meet, so many footprints are there. Still it is available. Like Braj, footprints of Krishna there, so many there. And now they make a road to do parikrama, so many footprints are covered. Still so many still there. Then Lord Ram not coming, so Bharat arranged all preparation for Abhishek. There is a well, big well, square, and Bharat put all water there. Even still nowadays, the taste of water, 4 corners, 4 types. So people are going, they keep bucket and rope for each corner. You can test yourself even still nowadays. So many atheists may not believe on God, in God, but they bound to believe this. Still different taste. Then Bharat told, brother, you have to promise me, you have to come just after 14 days, not a single day's delay. If you make 1 day delay, then you can see that my fire is firing. You cannot see me anymore. Ram, no. I not make any single day delays. So Meghnad had benediction, who not sleep 14 years, not see the face of lady 14 years, not eat, not drink, only he can kill Meghnad. So Lakshman not did all these things, so he killed Meghnad. So after Meghnad, next day, no war. Then, second day, Ram killed Ravan. Third day, Vibhishan became king. Fourth day, they came back to Ajodhya. So fourth day already passed. Lakshman, Bharat not dying, and Lord Ram also, how he keep his promise? This is completely contradictory. 14 years passed, more than 14 years. And Ram promised that not more than 1 second delay than 14 years. And Bharat, if 14 years passed, then Bharat will die. Here, Vasishtha is doing calculation. Bharat also alive, Ram also not to make any fault, coming up just immediate after 14 years. How can they reconcile this point? 1 more year. So many preachers will come. I am giving this, you can ask them. So many qualified preachers coming. You can go to, all of you can go to Google them, ask Google them. And I am giving this also. Then you can ask other preachers also.
3 क्वेश्चन हो गया महाराज। एक तो 14 साल ही क्यों?
हाँ।
कल आपने पूछा था।
आपके ससुराल में कौन कौन है?
ससुराल में मेरा 2 साले, 1 साली।
आपके तो 14 साली है। 14 साली क्यों मांगा? 14 साल ही, not साली। हाँ, ये मैं आप लोगों को 3 साल दे रहा हूँ, जो 3 क्वेश्चन।
1 साल में बताइए।
अच्छा ठीक है। आप मेरे बाद भी तो बहुत टीचर आएंगे, आप पूछेंगे, फिर मैं उत्तर दूंगा। ना महाप्रसाद 2 दिन दे। आरती करो,
करेगा, शॉर्ट आरती करेगा।